here we are, ladies and gentlemen, number 47 Balerno Circle here in central Gowanbrae. My name's David Vaughan. Today we've got an immaculate townhome residence on offer, including 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 separate bathrooms, double garage and this amazing outdoor entertaining area. Let's go now through, take a wander. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. What a fantastic low maintenance opportunity we have on offer here today. This property here is going to suit a huge demographic of buyer. Whether you're that of the first home buyer, the investor, the small family, the professional couple, or even that of the downsizer, this one here ticks absolutely all the boxes. We look forward to seeing you at one of our open for inspections. Of course, if you can't make the open house time, feel free to call me on the mobile and we'll get you through on a private basis. Once again, thanks for taking the online tour.